So we are going to Belgium today and we're at the terminal, so we're about to leave to go onto the Eurotunnel. So yeah, it took us 2 hours to get here and we're going to continue our journey. So we're super excited. What up guys, so we are in Belgium. So we've literally just got here, had issues with the apartment and them being funny about codes, not having anyone at reception. It was so shit. I mean, I did not expect it to be that shit, but it was. So I'll be complaining like the normal way. So yeah, but anyways, I'll show you the apartment. So this is the room. So it's a double bed, chucked our stuff around. Yeah, and then we've got the view. We've got a park nearby. So that's a view of Brussels. And then if you come through here, you've got a work desk, a kitchen, another bed slash sofa, TV. And here they've put things to maybe, you know, solve the issues that they have of lack of staff. I think they funded it with chocolate and some tea when they could have hired staff. But okay, anyways, we've got a stove, we've got some washing up, well at least they can afford washing up liquid. We've got some, I've got a sink. Wonder what's down here. Imagine if there's a dustbin and trash like they are. Then we have maybe a fridge or a freezer, I don't know. Definitely a fridge. Oh, they've got some of this shit as well. Well done. Yeah, plates, bowls, glasses, whatever, you know, standard things. So yeah, that's what it is. And I'm kind of pissed off with them, hence why I'm taking the piss out of them. But hopefully we go around Brussels today and it's a good day. So I'll show you my outfit quickly. So I am wearing a mustard scarf with a burnt orange cropped top, a teddy bear jacket. I've got a knitted skirt on. I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you anyways. Got some leggings and some boots. And this is what the knitted skirt looks like. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. So, oh, there we go. That's what it looks like. It's just knitted black. And yeah, that's my skirt.
Oh, sorry.
So we just got an Uber and we're going to the Grand Place. Yeah, the other car's like back there, so they're in the lift, so they're gonna take their time.
So just, where are we?
Grand Place. Palace? Place.
Grand Palace or
Hey.
place?
Grand Place.
Grand Place.
Uddar
Where it is?
Brussels. But yeah, we're waiting for Mum and my sister and everyone else. So Mummy Daddy di wait kar rahe assi sare.
Yeah.
The vacay weekend liya bar.
Yeah, family weekend vacation.
Yeah. So first stop is Brussels. It's a bit cold. Thanda lag diya.
Yeah.
Koi na. But yeah, हम देखते हैं कि और chocolate लानी है तो.
Yeah, Brussels to chocolate, and the place is that is the main attraction. The middle one. Yeah. We'll show you later. ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਹਨਾ?
Yes.
See
you later.
Look who is coming in this black Mercedes.
finally. Wow, they took their time. So guys, this is Daphne. Now we have just got to just said to vlog. This is my mum. And we just got to the statue of the boy doing a little, hit. Yeah, okay, bye. So, we're here and we finally reunited with our sister, that ex-core. What up? How was the ride? Really good. Do you vlog? We didn't miss you at all. You didn't, did you?
I did.
Did you? How'd you end this? Touch the head. Right guys, so we are at the palace. This is what the palace looks like. It's quite big, quite open. But yeah, I'm just sitting on the wall. But so we've literally walked around Brussels and now at the, the palace. We're gonna probably get some food and then head back to the hotel. But I'm so out of focus. There we go. That's more like it. But yeah, so we're gonna head back and get some food, and tomorrow we are going to Amsterdam, so yeah, I can't wait. And the photos came out, so yeah, stay tuned. What up guys, it's day 2. We've literally got up, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. We've got up, got dressed. This is my outfit with, I've got that jacket, it's like a teddy bear jacket. And then I've got the scarf, which I'll be throwing on with this. So we're gonna be heading to Amsterdam, I think in the next 42 an hour. We're supposed to leave at 6, it's now currently 6:15 and no one's left, no one's eaten. We're ready though, so that's a plus. I managed to wake everyone up. I accidentally scheduled because when I got up, he turned around to see where I was and just like pat the bed. But obviously I had stood up and my hair was all down and all you could see was light coming, like because of the blind, we kept the blinds open. And all you could see was light coming in and a person with long hair stood there. And all of a sudden he was like, and then he was like, oh my god, everything just came to my throat, that you just scared the shit out of me. I was like, oh, I should get my sister who was left in the other room. So what I did was I went up to her, I had my hair down and I just touched my hair with her arm, like just like that, and just waved it across. And then she looked around, oh no, she was like, oh, like, the morning stuff. And then she turned around, opened her eyes, she saw someone stood there, looked up and she screamed. She screamed so loud and my other sister's like, what the hell's wrong with you? Oh my god, I should have recorded that. It was hilarious. I woke everyone up 5 o'clock in the morning by scaring them. So mission accomplished. But anyways, we're going to be heading off soon. I've packed up with everything, so we're literally ready to go. Good to go for the rest of the journey to Amsterdam, and then we're going to be going back to England after. So by the end of the night we'll be back in England after going to Amsterdam. And what does it look like? one eyebrow is higher than the other one, so I need to lift the other one up. But anyways, catch you guys in a second. Let me take a minute to appreciate the view, by the way. It's so pretty. And like, I mean, this side's prettier. Look at those buildings and the trees. Ooh. Amsterdam. Why'd you get? So it's really cold here, and we're waiting for the tram. So we're taking the 17 down to town. We parked outside it's a restaurant, Indian restaurant called Haveli, and on Sundays and I think holidays it's free parking, so that's a perk. We're going to take the tram, and I think the tram's coming, so I don't know how we're going to get a ticket or what we're going to do, but we'll find out. Yeah.
So it depends what you want to do. You can exit at Dam Square, then you get in the center at the Royal Palace.
Yeah, we start off from there, so
And then
stop
you
at
can
the
swap.
tram.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you
I
have
think-
any stops there?
Oh, about 10 minutes.
Do you want to put this in your bag? Right, so we are outside the Grand Palace of Amsterdam, but they have stuff going on outside, so yeah, but I mean, that's the view. I'm just going to chill around for a bit and then see if we can walk around and see anything else, find any Insta bridges and something else that we're looking for. I can't remember what we're looking for, but yeah, I'll let you know when I find out anyways. This is for Expo. Hey! So pretty. You see that lovely garbage? You guys see what we're doing? I'm having fun. We're in a queue. Yeah, I'm having fun. We're in a queue, in a long ass queue, trying to get chips from a famous chip shop. Jyoti kidda?
Nice.
Nice. So
Yeah.
this is one of the world's like famous chip places. So we got some vegan mayo, we got some ketchup, got some cheese on some chips. So yeah.
Curry.
Okay, stop dissing it. And look at the queue. Look, it starts here Goes all the way to there. What up, guys? Okay, so all snugged up, but we just took the tram and we're back at the car parking place, and yeah, we're gonna go home and we're done with Holland.
Yeah.
It's all done, seen it, checked, got some bomb pictures, and we're gonna go to Calais, France. I think it's Calais, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but we're going there. We're going to take the Eurotunnel back to Folkestone, UK, and yeah, that was like the end of our journey. But yeah, how cute are our outfits though.
Yep.
We got such winter vibes. We don't usually travel during the winter, so we're like all snugged up. Yeah, I'll get it there.